How to fix World of Warships is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties window, and then in the launch options box you want to type -dx11 and then go to installed files tab and click on verify integrity of game files button and wait for this to finish checking. Now once it's done you can close this and close Steam, and then you will need to open up your browser, search for redist for redistributables, click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 version from this table and install both of them on your computer. And once you're done, it will basically ask you to restart your computer. Now before you restart, you might also need to check for GPU updates. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you'll need to install NVIDIA app, which is this one. Go to drivers and select game ready driver, check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available. And if you have reinstall button here, which means you have the latest version installed already, you can skip this part and restart your system. And after the restart, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can proceed to open up the game from your library. And that should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.